Friends, I am Soris. Welcome to my channel Tap. Today we learn more birds' name. Now I come to teach you more birds' name today. So let's start it. First is skylark. Skylark. We call the skylark in Bengali Chatuk Paki. Do you want to learn with me a skylark song in Bengali? Let's learn. Chatuk Pakhi, ডিম পেড়েছে, বাচ্চা হয়েছে, সব সময় খুটুর খুটুর বাসা বেঁধেছে। চাতক পাখি ডিম পেড়েছে, বাচ্চা হয়েছে, সব সময় খুটুর খুটুর বাসা বেঁধেছে। Next is eagle. Eagle. We call the eagle in Bengali chill. Next is wagtail. We call the wagtail in Bengali doel pakhi. Next is flamingo. We call the flamingo in Bengali mural pakhi. Next is heron. We call the heron in Bengali bok. It do like this and it fish. And also more insects, grasshoppers like this. When grasshopper come, it do like this. Next is penguin. We call the penguin in Bengali penguin. Next is crane. We call the crane in Bengali saraspakhi. Next is weaver bird. We call the weaver bird in Bengali babui pakhi. Next is dove. We call the dove in Bengali ghughu pakhi. Next is sandpiper. We call the sandpiper in Bengali salik pakhi. Next is dovechick. We call the dovechick in Bengali pankoudi. Next is moina. We call the moina in Bengali maina. Next is hawk. We call the hawk in Bengali baj pakhi. See how it's fly, and it's see more rats here and there. And when see some rats going here and there, then the hawk goes straight and catch one rat, help up his legs and flew away and sit on his and enter on his own and eat it. Friends, today we learned some birds name in English and Bengali also. So this is my last part 2 video. So do you want to watch more my videos? Friends, this is the end of this video. Do you want to watch more my videos? So search for my name. Do you spell my name with me? Okay. SOURISH. Soris. And my channel name is Tap. Spell with me. TUP TAP. Tap. So today, tata, bye bye. Take care of yourself.